The views and opinions expressed by the host are their own and do not necessarily reflect those of the show or its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions shared by any guest are their own and do not reflect those of the host, the show, its management, or its community. Listener discretion is advised.
I'm a singer, I'm a songwriter, I'm a voice coach and a heart therapist, and I integrate what I do also with wellness and prosperity coaching. I do believe that freedom is being able to do anything at all that makes your heart sing. Like anything at all that makes your soul feel like you're so prosperous and abundant. And making others feel the same way because you are the embodiment of freedom. You are the embodiment of that inner child who can think and sing like no one's watching. So that's what I do, and that's what I wish to spread all over the world. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Business Brews and Beyond, where we create spaces not just for conversations, but for connection. And our guest for today, I've known her since she was young, and it's beautiful to see how she now serves others through art, music, and healing. She moves freely, expresses deeply, and reminds us what it means to be your most authentic self. Let's welcome Mary May Maya Banawa. Hi, Maya! How are you?
Hello!
Grabe. It's been a while and sobrang na-miss ko yung energy mo ah. Ikaw yung nasa flow. Ikaw yung laging free as a bird. For those who are watching, siya yung nag-i-inspire sa amin to stop and smell the roses. Parang ganon. Parang siya yung nagbibigay ng idea sa amin na hindi lahat minamadali. You have to pause, learn the power of pause. Marami tayong matututunan sa guest natin today. And hi Maya, can you share with us what's happening to you today? Define us your grind. Kwento ka naman.
Oo nga, ang galing. Ang daming, for the past few weeks, days, so many things transpired. Actually, galing lang ako ng Bangkok. They asked me to, I was there to facilitate wellness coaching,
Wow.
healing, art therapy, inner child healing. And it was a very, again, nagpo-flow kasi, so very random. So even if it was just like 4 days, na ako, parang na-approve, and it was all expense paid. So it was powerful. It was so powerful, especially meeting the owner. I'm in the, a lot of people knows I'm a singer, I'm a songwriter. Ito yung talagang, prior to becoming a healer, a wellness coach, actually, I've done a couple of jingles, company jingles recently then, like for a casino and a Wi-Fi company. And I know I'm going to be doing more for this year. And hopefully, yes, there's a song that I'm going to be, a new song that new songs that I'm going to be releasing.
Wow.
So yeah, healing, all in one yan. It's all for me, it's all interconnected. Music, art, and inner child healing.
Grabe. Talagang yun yung space mo, no? And that's what really inspired us to connect with you, to channel you to some, communities na kakailanganin yung energy na ibinibigay mo. So Maya, when did your healing journey begin and when did it lead you to this path of inner child work and wellness? Bakit parang you're always looking at the idea na parang gusto mong tulungan yung people to heal? Tapos yung inner child trauma nila. Can you walk us back a little?
So what happens is, actually, I never ever in my life have ever imagined that I would become an inner child healer. It was never my intention. It just, I think it's true what they say, what happens inside will reflect outside. So it just happened. And I have to say, until now, it's still happening. I'd like to believe that healing is a constant way of being. Hindi siya natatapos. Compared to my, way back, how I saw myself before to how I'm now learning to honor more who I am. And nandun na ako sa point na finally I've come to a point na, kasi nung growing up, I grew up in an environment, parang success for my type of environment that I grew up with, success has something to do with, parang the society's notion of success is something
Mm.
that I need to keep up with, which I never really resonated with. Growing up, I already felt off about how my mom, before, she never really wanted me to be a musician. They don't see that as a path to success. Very traditional yung mga, especially Asian culture.
Yeah.
So it was very tough. It was very tough to grow up not feeling so supported. And it changed dramatically when I decided. I had to decide, Celia. That's what I figured out about healing. Healing is really not something that you get from other people. You have to give it to yourself talaga. You
Yeah.
have to decide. You have to
It's
come
a
to a point
decision
na,
to make.
wait,
Yeah.
or like being a rock bottom, and then just in the mirror, the mirror of truth, the mirror that doesn't lie, and the mirror that tells you, wait, are you really what are you really feeling about yourself now? What do you see about who you really are? Where are you really going? If I didn't face the ugliest truths about myself, about how I'm seeing things, and how I would want to change so many things about myself and my environment, I would never, alam mo yun, get to this point now if I didn't decide that, if I wasn't humble enough to realize that something needs to change.
Yeah.
So much grace. It took so much grace. I think what I can consider what happened to my life as a miracle, to be honest. Wala pa man, Celia, napapaiyak ako. But yeah, alam mo yung kantang Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. I think that's my song. Amazing Grace, that's it. Was once lost and now I was blind, but now I see.
Wow, amazing. Amazing talaga. Amazing talaga, bagay na bagay sa'yo. I think bagay yan, maraming babagayan yan sa mga nakikinig sa atin, no? Minsan talaga, no, we don't know kung ano yung kakaharapin natin in life. Nag-rise above tayo sa mga challenges ng buhay. Then we realize na, hindi pala kasi para sa akin tong napasukan ko eh. Ito pala ako dapat. And syempre, iisipin natin yung ano, no, yung grace ni God na binibigay sa atin to help us overcome all the challenges. And nako si Maya, nakakatuwa na nagsa-start pa lang, first question pa lang ako, very, very ano na siya, very open. Ayan na, look at her, nako, medyo teary-eyed na siya. So may tatanong ako sa iyo, Maya. Ito, a lot of us express freely nung bata pa tayo, even yung sa arts, music, lahat, wala tayong kinakatakutan, lahat iniisip natin, kaya natin. Do you believe that reconnecting with art and music, kasi dyan ka pumasok sa ganyang space, can help us
Yes, yeah.
heal our inner child? Kasi baka minsan kailangan nila yung art and music para ma-heal yung ano nila, yung inner child trauma or whatever. Kasi sayang eh, di ba? Nung mga bata tayo, we're so free.
Yeah, so I totally agree, no. So may mga tao diyan na baka may calling na nga sila. I hope by watching this video, if you come across this, it could be a sign. So pursue something that gives spark to your inner child.
Mm-mm.
Whether it's art, whether it's singing, dancing, anything that makes that inner child of yours like so alive. I think that's just the beginning. Layers and layers of trauma. What happens inside will reflect outside. So because they have so much unconditional love, they cannot really say your language, no, they cannot talk to you the same language. So ang nangyayari, you just understand each other in a whole new way, and you interact with them using your heart.
Yeah.
So like the more na nag-expand yung heart, the more ka magiging open sa kahit ano, whether that's art therapy, whether that's, I think I would like to explore on oracle reading, maybe I'd like to explore on energy healing, sound healing, or rock climbing. I don't know, whatever it is that you feel na biglang nag-expand yung heart mo, yung inner child healing. akala mo sobrang maliit lang siya na bagay, but it's layers and layers of trauma yung natatanggal when anything that makes the inner child alive. Kaya 'di ba may yung mga iba makakita lang na, "Uy, ang cute-cute naman." Yung parang natutuwa sila whether that's a bird or ano. Basta nag-activate na yung inner child, parang wow, your energy is so alive.
Yeah, can you define that inner child? Kasi, Maya, when I met you, no, actually, hindi naman ako familiar sa mga ganyan, eh. Hindi ako familiar sa inner child healing, though ako, meron akong preference dun sa mga nakakasama kong tao. I like people who are fun to be with. Yung malakas yung inner child nila, yung parang, gano'n. Pero yung inner child healing and, ano ba 'yan, when you slow down or when you feel like something is happening with your life, dun mo ba mare-realize may kailangan kang i-heal from what happened to you before or kung ano man na experiences na napagdaanan mo? Kasi inner child, can you define to us what is inner child healing? And yung mga tao, how would they know na meron silang something na kailangan i-heal within?
But scientifically, they have this study that a lot of ang laki ng percentage daw that a lot of that people are experiencing inner child traumas because we are in the world that is always, fast-paced, masyadong maraming expectations. So,
Yeah.
nag without us knowing it, nato-trauma na si inner child. So inner child basically is just yung younger version of us who doesn't really care about rules and who
Ah,
doesn't want so much expectations and so much. Yun lang yung inner child. So when you say inner
mm.
child healing it's just to make it short, it's a part of us that wants to be free.
Okay. That explains it. Kaya minsan parang may gustong kumawala, no? Parang alam natin in the mundane of things, yung kabisihan nating lahat, meron minsan na parang bigla na lang tayong magugulat, teka, ba't ko biglang ginawa to? Ba't biglang enjoy akong sumasayaw or kumakanta or something and we didn't realize na parang may something na trying to get out from us siguro because so many things has been happening na parang naging autopilot na tayo, no?
That's why yung pandemic really played a huge role for everyone to start experiencing inner child healing. Tapos, parang we're all forced to be at home. What if home doesn't feel home to
Hmm.
you? Confront lahat yan. Yung inner child mo talagang at that time, yung pandemic, yan, number one, one of my greatest healers also, yung world crisis. Because nawala lahat, my industry, I'm a musician, nawala lahat, right? So, imagine waking up and realizing all of your plans, your dreams, and the person that you think you were is gone. Parang, di ba, parang nakakabaliw yun, di ba? So, that was my first, actually, yung pandemic, that was yun ako na-trigger na, first, yun na nga, to heal my own, yung mga depression, anxiety, and daming musicians, and daming artists. And most artists have so much inner child, by the way. So,
Mm.
so many artists at the time, talagang nag-crash down, talagang depressed. Because again, our outlet, nawala yung outlet namin. Eh, yun yung, when you say outlet, that's our playground. Where is nawala yung playground namin. So, not everyone though has a playground. Masyadong seryoso. So yun yung sinasabi ko. I think during the pandemic, na-force yung mga tao hanapin yung what can they do. A lot of people were forced to look at their lives and like contemplate and wait, what do I really want to do? Like if I'm not my job, if I'm not what I do, what else can I do? Maybe I could draw, maybe I could cook some more, maybe so many and daming new business na lumabas. Right? During the pandemic that they discovered their niche, they discover their untapped skills. So I must say that inner child is also the way to define it is the one is the artist within. The inner child is the artist within. The one that that activates anything that is untapped na skills. Yun yung inner child. Kaya
Parang
niyang
ano mo,
i-activate.
yung creativity having fun. 'no?
Yes,
Oo.
and the genius.
Oo, yung
Di
genius
ba?
mo. Okay,
Yes.
sige. I understand where you're coming from, being an artist, being someone who wants a playground to express your skills and your talent. So ito yung tatanong ko sa'yo, how did the song Genuine You, tapos yung platform mo, helped in your journey? Kasi naipasok mo na about being a musician, about being an artist. Paano nakatulong sa'yo yon? And when did you realize na i-share ko nga to sa mundo? Ipaparamdam ko nga sa mundo na this is something that I want to share to the world that baka makatulong. How did that song Genuine You helped you also with this journey?
Yung yung genuine you, well, it for the yung unang story ng genuine you is it rooted from, again, anxiety, depression, okay? So all of a sudden something was telling me, right, I have a song for you. Like there's a song that you're about to write. You need to get a pen. And I was just, wow, first time yun na ang tawag dun yung audio, parang I was listening to the words and I don't really know if I'm making sense. I was just writing it down, tas
Wala
nalalaliman pa
pang
ako sa
AI nun 'no? Wala pang AI, wala pang
wala pa.
anything. As in
Of
talagang
course not.
oo, galing.
And then while I'm writing, my God, pati nga yung ano, yung melody nakukuha ko na rin. Oh my God, it was like happening all at the same time. And then it turned out, even if I was so depressed at the time, the song turned out so soothing. And ang favorite part ko doon, this was pre-pandemic, like talagang ano to, it was my rock bottom, na first rock bottom. Yung Genuine You was my first ever rock bottom because at the time, parang I was losing everything. I'm talking about not just my relationship at the time, but my family. Like, all of a sudden, parang we're given an ultimatum, or like, basta we were forced to sell the house na binigay ng dad ko, na parang wow, eh, sinabi niya never ever sell the house. So it was so traumatic for me. And then, but in that house I was able to compose that song. So Genuine You, okay, the song was yung ano nun, yung like the chorus nun is the simple smile, the simple you, all you need is to be just you, feel those trees waving on you, all you need is to be just you. Nothing in this world matters except from being pure, genuine. So parang don't let anything or anyone stop you for doing what you want to do, to feel what you need to feel.
Wow.
Parang ganun siya. And even if it sounds crazy, like, wait, the birds are humming to you. I can sense like the trees are actually waving at me. Things like that. That's the essence of the song. Until it became a platform of a healing platform, naging genuine universe.
Oo nga eh. That's what I'm asking nga eh. Paano siya naging gano'n? At saka, 'di ba, parang naging ni-lead ka na niya sa isang path of helping more communities, hindi lang yung sarili mo.
Ang galing, ang galing nga. Thank you, Lord. Talagang it was so divinely aligned, na if the song was prophetic. I don't know if you've heard about me doing prophetic art and prophetic art therapy, and I
Yeah.
realized I've done so many prophetic songs too. For example, yung kanta ni Janice Xavier, the song of Janice Xavier, the first runner-up of The Voice Philippines, yung first episode ng The Voice, I helped her compose that song. And the title of the song is Breathe, Breathe. I didn't know I'm gonna be a breathwork coach. Ang dami. Pero ang mas ginamit ko yung Genuine Universe because especially recently may nangyari eh. I've been using that na during pandemic, sinasabi na sa akin, I need to use the Genuine Universe. Medyo naglalaban sila ng heart space. And I was really confused kung ano talaga sa dalawa. But although I can still use both, but only recently it was so profound. It was so clear to me. Kaya nga universe, genuine universe, and then under it can be so many other things. But genuine universe is the most genuine. Is the most, yun yung Oo, yun yung parang it's a platform that will also, by the way, not just yung mga sessions ko. In the future, we're gonna use the platform to um to recognize people or hopefully also give awards, to people who are making the world a better place.
That's good.
Genuine. So that's just one. So many things are now parang lined up for it. Yun na nga, like even when I went to Bangkok, eto pa, this is interesting. Again, it's prophetic. Can you imagine may involve ako sa Miss Universe?
Pwede naman. Pwede naman. Looking at you, pwede naman.
Yung Genuine Universe, yun yung ginamit to have the first session ko with the Miss Universe finalist, and then I had a session with the franchise owner of Miss Universe Pakistan, who owns 4 other franchise ng Miss Universe. So anyway, I was so many lang na parang wow, this is so synchronized. For me pa naman, I can see for me I am more excited if I see signs, if there's so much synchronicities going on. And butterfly yung ginamit kong nung pandemic pa lang yun, nakita ko na that the blue and black butterfly yung gagawin kong logo, because that was the butterfly that my dad, who's now in heaven, that was the parang yun yung way niya to communicate with me, na pinakitaan niya ako ng blue black butterfly. That same week nakita din ng sister ko, half sister ko. So I'm like, okay, so and then recently may parang they're giving me another may mga signs that saying, Maya, you need to you need to really like know more your intentions, your pure intentions, and go for it. Go for the genuine universe. And the inner child healing is very um sobrang bagay siya sa yung genuine. Kaya nga genuine universe, di ba? So how can you have inner child healing if we forget how it is to be genuine?
Yeah, I got
And
it.
by the way, Celia, ang dali sabihin, ikaw nga, sige, what is genuine to you?
For me, it's just all the rawness of things. Yung sa akin, feeling ko, yung pagiging genuine is more on dun sa kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Ah, talagang aaminin mo sa, 'di ba? Aaminin mo sa mundo, but it's up to you how to handle it. Ako kasi hindi ko masyadong nakikita yung sarili ko as someone who would put myself in the parang perfect lagi ko naiisip yung sarili ko na parang 'di ba lagi ko nilalagay dun sa mga captions ko, entirely made of flaws, stitched together with good intentions. Yun yung genuine sa akin.
Ay,
Oo, kasi parang I think my intention will always be parang ipaglalaban ko na good yung intentions ko for everyone. I'm maybe made of flaws, pero pinaglalaban ko yun that my intentions talaga are really to be there for people that I love, people who needs me, people who needs a community. So akin siguro yun yung pagiging genuine, yung just really trying to recognize how sabi nga sa grupo namin, Flossom, how flawsome you are. No, dami-dami mong flaws.
I love it.
But, but still,
Awesome.
but still, you're stitched together with good intentions. Ayun. Anyway, Maya, I want to ask you, for someone listening out there who's maybe disconnected or lost, no? Ano yung way para for them to go back to themselves, find their genuine you, find yung way back home? Ano ba yung pwede nilang gawin if they're disconnected, if they're lost, if they don't know what to do? I think these are the things na medyo na perfect mo na nagawan mo na ng mga sagot. So I know maraming tao talaga na lumalapit sa iyo. You're being invited to several wellness sanctuaries, different places, different countries. We even had you in Bali, we even had you in different places. And alam namin na parang nakikita nila sa iyo that you can help them. So ano ba yung pwede nilang magawa? for them to start now na medyo balikan ba yung sarili nila if they feel disconnected or lost?
Gawin nila yung ginawa ni Justin Bieber. He sang with
Talaga?
his inner child in the concert. Yeah.
Okay.
So look at your old maybe look at your old photos, old videos, or if you don't have those, then do anything at all that reminded you of your inner child, whether that's drawing or singing. Now, kung wala talaga sa mood, isa lang yan, matulog ka lang. Like you really need to. Self-love is so important in inner child healing. You gotta remember like that, di ba? Children, like they really sleep well.
Yeah.
So sleep like a baby. Try your best to sleep like a baby. If you have, ang problema dyan yung may mga clients ako may sleeping problems. Grabe. Isa sa mga pinaka mahirap na kalaban. If you're already going through sleeping patterns, mga sobrang late nights na parang hindi mo na alam paano ibalik.
Minsan nagmamanifest sa physical. I remember there was a time that I went ask for help sa'yo. And we were in this pool. Di ba sabi ko, I was like feeling something, diba?
Yeah.
Tapos, and there's so many things na ginawa natin. And up until now, I felt parang, at that point, parang there's something there na nangyari sa akin na hindi ko naman ina-expect na but I was just really being open. Diba? At that point, I listened to my body, I listened to you, tapos nasa pool tayo, then there was green, there was so many things. So, parang siguro, when they want to go back, no, they have to have some guidance from people, no, who can help find their way back home. So, natutuwa naman ako, Maya, that kasi magkakilala kami ni Maya. For those who don't know, I've known her for the longest time, as in, bata pa siya. We used to go to their house. Doon kami nagpa-practice with her cousin na I really have super high respect for. Tapos dinadala kami doon sa bahay natin. Si Maya, super bata pa. Hindi ako makapaniwala na she's now helping and healing so many people with whatever she's done for herself. She's been giving it to others then. And that's how you do things, diba? That's how you become parang mas open and sa universe kasi you're not gatekeeping. Kung ano yung nakabuti sa iyo, you're still sharing it. And that's something that I'm really, really proud of. Tutuwa ako pag-uusapan namin yung mga nagawa na ni Maya in so many communities. Okay, let's do rapid fire. Okay, Maya, please answer this. Healing feels like
Eating an ice cream.
Wow, that's so cool. Ayan, labas na labas talaga yung inner child ni Maya. Your inner child is?
My inner child is a rainbow.
You can see
Or a butterfly or a unicorn.
Or a unicorn. You can see how colorful talaga her personality, no? Una niya talaga naisip. Maya, music for you is?
So music for me is the expression of my soul.
Wow.
Freedom for me is to allow myself to feel what I need to feel.
One word about...
No skipping of the process, okay?
Okay, no skipping of the process. I remember that. Trust the process.
That's freedom for me. Trusting the process. Ang dali sabihin. Okay.
Okay, one word about your journey, Maya. One word about your journey.
Magical.
Magical. Yeah.
It's been magical.
Yeah, knowing that this is what you feel at the moment, because I've seen you in your ups and your downs. I really feel that the universe is conspiring now for so many blessings na ibinibigay sa'yo. So, if you could whisper to your younger self, Maya, what will you tell her?
Okay, I'm gonna tell her I'm still working on myself, but I'm so proud that I'm becoming kinder to myself. So I'm gonna tell my inner child, I am now in the place more patience, more kindness, more compassion, and I'm so proud of her for sticking with me. I'm so proud of my inner child for not giving up on myself and others too.
Wow.
So yes,
Powerful. Wow.
that was
Galing. So Maya, what does it mean for you today, ha? Yung ngayon, what does it mean to be your genuine you?
today I feel, alam mo, that's a good question kasi totoo lang, there was a time that I told myself, I really begged God, like I said, God, I'm so sorry, but I don't think I'm this song. I'm not genuine. I was like genuinely having this conversation to God. And I was crying. I was so pissed. Like, I don't know why I made that song. I'm not that song. Like, ganun And I was crying. I said,
Wow.
ay, grabe yon. I can't forget that moment. And I said, that was my turning point. And I said, God, if there's one thing I really want in my life, help me become that song. Make me become that song because I only channeled it. It's not me.
Grabe, no?
Yeah, so grabe.
So
So ngayon,
ngayon, ramdam mo na siya.
I mean, the fact that we're talking about this and I'm able to tell you all these stories, it means
Nag-evolve na
integrate na
siya.
kami.
Oo.
In-embrace ko na si Genuine ko. All of my colors.
Oo, grabe.
So, and I don't stop. I don't stop doing it. It's
Good, Maya. And that's good that you don't stop. You don't stop. You really try to find your way back home, how you can be of service to people who needs you. And nakakatuwa yun. At a very young age, kayang-kaya mong sumuporta sa sobrang daming community. People are looking para malaman din nila how to find their way back kasi medyo lost sila, no. So, if there's one trick of the trade, kung meron kang maituturo sa amin, no? Ano yung pwede mong ibigay na tip for us if ma-feel namin na parang need na namin yung healing, parang need na namin bumalik, parang yung inner child namin kailangan na to. O ma-feel namin na can do this.
okay. I'm gonna do it. Gawin natin to. Sample, okay? You're gonna be I'm gonna ask you to take deep breaths with me, and yung mga taong nanonood can do the same, okay? Because I tell you guys, okay, let's take this as an opportunity to center, So we're gonna I also do this. Also call this inner child hypnosis. Okay. First thing lang that we need to do is, I'm sure naman the fact that you're watching this, I'm sure there's a part of you is already willing to receive more healing, because this will never work if at the back of your mind you're doubting so much. So ang isa sa mga the affirmations that I would want us to say before we can even begin is, I'm allowing myself to be kinder to all that I am as I am, body, mind, and spirit. Can we say this? I'm allowing myself to be kinder to myself. Take a deep breath. Breathe in kindness and exhale some. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, and then I want you to tong part ng forehead, I just want you to massage this part of the forehead. And touch your heart. Okay, take a deep breath. Hold, exhale sa mouth. Inhale. And then say it again. I'm allowing myself to be kinder to all that I am as I am, body, mind, and spirit. I am trusting the process. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. I am trusting and believing in all that I am as I am. By just saying it, especially if it's from the heart, pumapasok siya sa katawan, pumapasok yung energy, it really helps a lot, especially if you say it from the heart. I'm allowing myself to believe more in all that I am as I am. Body, mind, and spirit. Inhale. Hold. And then touch niyo to, itong tummy. Nandito yung inner child, actually more of nandito siya sa bandang solar plexus. Okay? Ito yung part ng body that is a part of the chakra that's parang related to self-confidence. Okay? This one. So once na nahawakan mo na yung heart mo, when you take deep breaths, try your best to listen to the sound of your nostrils. Can you do that? Inhale. Exhale sa mouth. Para activated pati yung sense of hearing. Inhale. Exhale sa mouth. Alright? And then, this time, I want you to visualize your inner child. Nung ilang taon siya, just maybe close your eyes, take deep breaths. Kung hindi mo makita, at least kung kahit if it's something that's being whispered to you, mga ilang taon siya, or ano yung naalala mo nung bata ka, pinapaalala sa'yo ngayon. Anyone also from your childhood that reminds you of the love of, being so loved unconditionally. Is there anyone na pinapaalala sa'yo? Sino yon? Sino yung in your life that you're being asked to remember that really reminds you of being loved without it, being loved and held. Inhale sa nose, hold, exhale, and then try to listen to your heart. And then both hands sa forehead, this. This will help balance your entire chakras, your energy field. Then put it down in your throat, bandang throat, in your heart. Do you remember anything or anyone from that childhood, Celia? May pinapaalala ba sa'yo? In
For
your
me, it
case?
will always be my father. If it's unconditional love, it will always be my father.
This session, to some of you are watching, no? If may mga emotions na mag-a-arise, you just allow it, okay? Because sometimes, even yung mga tears nga daw, they call it the stress hormones. Eh. Pag the moment you allow yourself to, whatever, to grieve, to cry, whatever, genuinely happy, take this opportunity to really, or yung ibang nafe-feel, parang baka yung may repressed anger na gustong ma-release na, just be kinder to yourself and just know that this is a guided meditation that will help you really reclaim your power. So ito, the one most beautiful affirmation that helps inner child healing also sa mga sessions ko at that you can use. I'm allowing myself to claim my power back. Can we say that? I'm allowing myself to claim my power back. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then think of anything at all that makes you feel grateful now. And if there's a cake right now, imagine niyo my birthday cake. Ano yung i-wish ng inner child, ng inner child? What would be that wish? I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Just take your time. Ano yung wish niya? Yung totoong wish ng inner child. And then blow the candle.
Wow. Thank you for that. Grabe. Thank you, Maya. Thank you to our songbird, Maya. Inner child healer, rainbow. So thank you.
Butterfly!
Butterfly. Yun. Grateful ako for this episode that we had a chance to talk to someone who will help us, no, with our inner child healing. Maya, that's what she's been doing for several years now, and she's been helping people in different communities. And kung gusto natin din na mahanap yung ating sarili. Sometimes we're feeling disconnected and lost. Let's go back to ourselves. Hindi yan nawawala. Hindi lang natin pinapansin what we really need. So, it really takes some time, find that power of pause, and listen to our inner child. At alam natin that there will be people who will be guiding us para mag-heal tayo in this wonderful world. Ayan, thank you for being with us, Maya. Ayan, maraming advocacy si Maya. Please help her also. We will be posting yung niya, yung
Yeah.
mga advocacies niya. And moving forward, magkakaroon kami ng mga activations, no, ni Maya. We will be posting it in our socials, some art therapy, yeah, art and music
Mag-art.
therapy. Marami. If you're interested,
Yes. May online, meron ding in person. So,
yeah.
we will update you guys.
Oo. Iba din talaga if someone's guiding us. And if someone who really felt yung pagiging confused and lost and nahanap niya yung sarili niya, siguro that's a good way for us to also listen kung ano yung naging mga ways nila to find yung path na hinahanap. So anyway, Maya, if you want to share with us ano yung mga upcoming na activities mo, share with us now.
Okay, so guys, you can always keep in touch, especially mga gusto ng intimate yung mga tipong one-on-one sessions sa inner child healing or music and art therapy, which can help activate din yung mga untapped skills, whether that's singing or painting. Maya Songbird in Instagram or Genuine Universe. Genuine underscore universe, YOU, universe, Instagram. And Maya Banawa Facebook for those who are Facebook users.
Draw another card for you before we end the show. And it's like this. It's saying, sun, paint the sun back into your sky.
Boom,
Paint,
boom,
paint talaga, no?
boom.
For our
Follow
artist,
with
eh,
the
di
sun.
ba?
Well, you know what? I think I literally need to paint the sun. It helps
Talaga.
talaga. So, painting the sun helps ito to, especially this one, the solar plexus. So, guys, let me just take advantage nyo na to. We're giving you this information, no, na nasasabi ko to minsan sa seminar. Ito na, with Ma'am Celia. I think sa mga next mga topic namin, we will talk about chakras, okay? Yung yellow, okay, so dito yan sa solar plexus. And do you know that when you paint yellow or when you wear anything yellow or you look at anything yellow, di ba, it brightens you up. Or
Yeah.
when you go to the sun, di ba? So vitamin D, we get vitamin D. Ang ganda ng yellow kasi meron siyang, or gold, because meron siyang, nagkakaroon ka ng mas protective layers. Protection talaga siya. You know, sometimes I will even say affirmation like, I am the golden Christ light. The golden Christ light. Pinivisualize ko gold color all over me. What more kung pinaint mo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, ang tagal-tagal mo, pinipaint mo siya. You will feel something very powerful sa golden yellow. And, assignment mo yan, Celia, I really want us to do it together dahil, to also honor you. And I just know that yung mayroon tayong advocacy on empowering others. We need to be empowered too. Yung inner child natin, dalawa. Especially, we're also considered childhood friends, di ba? So,
Yeah.
magkakaroon ng activation. Definitely inner child activation. And I just can't wait. So, yeah, looking
We'll do
forward to
that.
that. By now.
For sure, we'll do that. We'll have Maya to support us, help us facilitate this, and make sure that we have an activation that will help our inner child no heal talaga. So, ayun. Thank you, Maya. You want to
I'm so
say?
proud of you, but I'm so proud of you because, sweetheart, like what you did, even yung last card na pinul mo, talagang nagiging ka na rin insured ka sa card. Sobrang siyang sakto kasi I was feeling also lately na, yung sabi mo, di ba, sun, paint the
Painted,
golden sun ba? Or paint
your
the sun.
sky.
Paint your sky. Kasi parang lately, I've been getting also same message, different lang words, but that medyo nagkaroon ako ng portion, parang prior to this, ito ngayon kasi parang I feel more alive ngayon Pero recently nagkaroon ako ng, parang may na-experience akong down moment na I felt na I need to really stand up for myself. So yung standing up for myself, yan nga yung sinasabi mong the sun.
Yeah.
Kasi when in the oracle deck, by the way, my other oracle deck, the sun means the God energy. And when you have the God energy, what happens is you are ang affirmation doon, I'm allowing myself to see the God in me and the God in others. So parang feeling ko, nagkaroon ako ng phase recently na, buti na lang, I've been doing this healing practices of self, being more aware of my thoughts. And I felt like I was subconsciously judging someone. And without me knowing it, young energy of judgment is actually taking my power.
Yeah.
That any guys, remember this, anything, whether you think you're right, whether you think you have all the right to judge someone, but I tell you, the moment you immerse yourself with the energy of judgment, of that feeling of contracted energy, na you have this unsettled emotions na hindi mo alam kung, parang it's something, it's an energy leak. Once you have so much judgments, you have energy leaking everywhere. So Yeah, so nung nakita ko na siya sa wait, yun na pala yun. So the sun is the God energy. So I then went, all the more nag sunbathing ako kasi nga I figured, okay, I need more light for me to send light instead of sending the other, the other energy which is darkness, 'di ba? Na subconscious siya, hindi mo sinasadya. Nagbabato ka ng judgment. So I'm allowing myself to see the God in me and the God in others. So that's, I just want to share. Yun yung sun. So thank you for picking that card, my love.
Yeah. So wherever you are right now, if you're a little lost, a bit tired, a bit disconnected, find that moment to pause and come back to yourself. This has been another Rude Conversations for Business Boost and Beyond.